So we loading up for Texas. Not that much. But the customer does have a special request. He wants his golf cart. I don't know if you guys can see the golf cart. Hold on. Okay, there you go. He wants that golf cart to be shipped up there. And yes, we move anything, anywhere, at any time. So, we're going to try to get it right here. Valet park it right here. Stay tuned. And just like that, she's in. Hard work and dedication. We move anything, anywhere, at any time. Y'all think we be playing. Man, we don't be playing. We be working. Won't stop.